Have you ever dreamed to do art every day, with marvelous views, surrounded with beautiful people who are painting and who enjoy art as much as you do? Have you wondered if there are such communities where you can go and paint together? So I want to invite you to my art retreat from 8th to 14th of May in Costa Brava in Spain. For those of you who are for the first time here on my YouTube channel, my name is Ala. I'm a sketch illustrator and a watercolorist, and from 2020 I'm an art teacher too. And in this year 2023, one of my goals is to bring people together, to stay with people who are like-minded, who like to paint, who like to enjoy art. And I want you to invite to this marvelous opportunity to join my art retreat in Costa Brava. The art retreat will be in Spain here and in marvelous hotel, Flor Seleqtta. The art retreat will take place in an old Catalan villa, Flor by Seleqtta, that it is located in Lloret de Mar, Costa Brava. You will stay in single rooms with full board and drinks will be included. All the classes will take place as well in Flor Seleqtta, and we will have marvelous spaces with sea view. The Flor Seleqtta as well has a beautiful swimming pool with sea view, and we will have plenty of time to catch up together, to enjoy sunsets over there and to share our experience together. I have already prepared the agenda for all 7 days of this art retreat, and you can join the Telegram that I will be sharing over there, and you can check out what we will be doing every day. We will be working with several very interesting mediums. We will start to work with very easy mediums like coffee medium and red wine medium, that you just feel the vibes of painting and you are not getting afraid of the white paper. Later on we will speak about the composition, how to create the composition, which are the most common mistakes in this, and we will be doing a lot of watercolors. We will work with watercolors by reference, and we will work with watercolors by looking at real nature, so we will have plenty of beautiful sketches to do and to enjoy the nature that will be surrounding by us. Apart from practical classes like it is watercolors, red wine and coffee medium, I will also prepare some interesting art history classes, mainly because we are based in Catalonia. I would like to speak about very famous artists and architecture, like for example it is Salvador Dalí and Picasso, who lived their main part of the life here in Catalonia, and as well we will speak about Gaudi architect and his famous architecture that it is all around Catalonia region. Apart of this, I prepared 2 very interesting activities. One of the activity is to hike around old town of Lloret de Mar. We will discover beautiful places of the Mediterranean coast, and we'll just talk one with another. And in the last evening you will have a sailing activity. The sailing activity is something really wonderful. We will have some time to catch up like a group and to enjoy the place from the sea. Even if I've prepared a very complex agenda, I assure you that you will have plenty of time to enjoy as well on your own, and to go to the beach, to enjoy the swimming pool of the hotel, and just to stay on your own if you would like to. So what do you think? Do you like? If you like the idea of joining this art retreat, please don't hesitate to write me a message, to ask more questions, and obviously join our Telegram channel where I will be sharing all the updated information about this art retreat. Don't forget, the art retreat is in Costa Brava from 8th to 14th of May. I will be waiting for you.